Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you an unboxing of the August mystery box from Juvia's Place. This was on sale for $16. I can't remember what they said the value was in here. Maybe it was like 4 items and one of the items is one of the new releases. I know a lot of people received their box like pretty early on, right after placing the order. Mine took a really long time for some reason, but I just cut the box open. I cannot wait to dig inside and see what we got. Before we go ahead and do that, please make sure to subscribe. Don't forget to do that. Hit that bell and give this video a thumbs up if you like unboxing videos, hauls, anything like that. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited. Like, I ripped the box open. I had to use one of my tools over here, trying not to break my nails. But from what I've seen online, a lot of people got you know, some products I was like, ooh, that looks really interesting. And again, a new product which they released, and I kind of figured that it was gonna be in the box because they released it couple days after they had the mystery boxes, which is a brow product. So I expect to see a brow product in here. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited. Okay, and yes, we do have a brow product. The one brow product that I received is the brow pencil. This is Eye Sculpt Eye Shade, and the shade is dark brown, which I think should work for me. I'm really excited to give this guy a shot. Cannot remember the retail value of all these products. I will have them on the screen, but $16 for the box. I think we're definitely getting more than $15 worth of products. So a spoolie on one end and yes, one of those fine tips, super micro fine tips brow pencil. I'm really excited to give this guy a shot. Yay. I'm happy with this one. The second item that I see in here is a highlighter, and this is the Heroine Loose Highlighter. Heroine, how do you say the word? I don't know, but this is in the shade, does it have a shade name? I'm not sure. Maybe that was supposed to be the shade name. I've tried one of these a really long time ago, but it was too gold for my skin tone, so I ended up decluttering that one. This looks like it would be a really nice shade, actually. It looks kind of like a little pearly champagne. Let me go ahead and remove the stopper so we can do a swatch. Where is the thing? It's right here. Okay, so, ooh, this is such a beautiful shade. There it is right there. I think this would be perfect for my skin tone. I'm actually surprised. I figured it would be a little bit darker. I can't remember if there was just like buy the mystery box. I don't think it had any questions about like skin tone or anything like that. I'm excited, and I know these typically retail for about $14 from, you know, knowing them on Ulta's website. The next thing in here is La Mariposa Yummy Yummy Lip Gloss. Okay, was this a collaboration with Yummy? Yummy Angelina X Juvia's Place. So it must have been a collaboration. Ooh, this is a really pretty shade too. Looks like a beautiful lip topper. I don't believe I've tried any lip glosses from Juvia's Place. Have I tried any of their lip products? I don't think I have. So this would be the first one for me to try. I think I've been interested in some of the reds that they released not that long ago, but I don't think I ever pulled the trigger and got one. So let's go ahead and do a swatch of this guy. It looks like it has, you know, like it's a little gold shimmery, which should be really pretty with that highlighter. Oh, that's so beautiful. I cannot wait to put this on my lips. It feels like it might be a little bit of a tacky formula, but nevertheless, I'm really excited about it, and I think that's definitely a wearable shade for me. So far, 3 out of 3. I'm really happy. And then the last item, it's really bundled up in here. This must be an eyeshadow palette. And yes, this is an eyeshadow palette. This is the Queen palette, Fumi X Juvia's. Okay, I don't remember seeing any images of what this one looks like. Let's take a look. So here's what it looks like. I think it's a 6-pan. Ooh, look at these shades. I'm surprised. It's no mirror, but I guess none of their other palettes have mirror. Look at these colors. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'm gonna have to play around with this. These look like it could be a little bit of a struggle for me. Like this pink over here, I wouldn't know how to use that. These shades I can definitely play around with. I think this is the only one that looks a little bit intimidating. I'm gonna have to play around with this palette. I love it. I love the Queen Hearts over here. It's beautiful. I'm really excited for this. Overall, I'm really happy with this mystery box. I paid $16. I can't remember how much was the shipping. I'm gonna say it was about $5. And for all the products that I received, I think for 3 of them, I'm definitely really excited to play with. This one, I think it's gonna be a little bit of a learning curve for myself, just because these bright colors are not really something I reach for very often. But overall, I'm really happy with this. Let me know what you guys think. Did you actually pick up this mystery box from Juvia's Place? Let me know in the comments below. Again, please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.